Hey guys, this is Jerry. Just a quick video to show you how to delete your Volkswagen navigation history on the newest Volkswagen system. Once you're in the Volkswagen screen, you want to tap the bar on the left. That means you can see all your information over here. This includes all your search histories or some of the favorite locations or some places you have been to over the last search histories. If you haven't not deleted anything, this is what it shows. Or you can click here to show your the last destination entries. You can also click on the top to see your favorites. We haven't saved anything, last destinations. You can even include your contacts, everything. To delete anything from here, swipe the screen left, click the delete, that's all gone. Under the favorites, you can also see some of the favorite locations or home or work addresses over here. To delete anything, swipe left, delete, delete, and that's all gone. Same as all the other ones, delete, they will be all gone. But this will give you different recommendations and things like that. So the easiest way to go around here to delete everything. Takes quite some time to delete all this. I haven't really got any sort of quick ways to delete everything in one go, but this is the thing you need to do when you want to delete everything. I hope you found this video helpful. The best way to support the channel is to subscribe and like.